Social media platforms such as Twitter are now an increasingly important channel for people to read news and discuss a variety of topics. However, it is difficult to keep track of all the incoming topics due to people's limited attention capacity. Therefore, the topics have to compete for people's attention. Opinion leaders in social media play an important role in the dissemination of information, but it is still unclear how the opinion leaders affect the competition among the topics and set the public agenda. We have developed a visual analytics system to analyze the dynamics of topic competition and agenda setting on social media. The system is composed of 3 modules. The data storage and pre-processing module is powered by a text search engine for querying and the initial processing of a large amount of Twitter data. The data analysis module estimates the competitiveness of the topics, the recruitment effects of the opinion leaders, and the topical focus transition of the opinion leaders. Finally, an interactive visualization shows the dynamic process and displays the textual content of the tweets. This is our interactive visualization interface. The timeline view shows an overview of the dynamic competition process. The theme river visualizes the changes in competitiveness of the topics over time. The line segments show the recruitment effect of the opinion leaders on the corresponding topic. Lines that transit among the layers display the topic transition trends of the opinion leaders. The radial view displays the pairwise competition among the topics at a time point, and a word cloud visually summarizes the textual content of the tweets at a time point. A list of tweets is also displayed, showing the raw data. The system supports a rich set of user interactions. The user could filter the word cloud by topic and opinion leader group. Show the variance in saliency of a keyword over time with sparkline. Pin multiple radial views for a pairwise comparison in terms of temporal, topical, and group-wise dimensions. The user can also filter the tweet list by selecting a time range, or by specifying keywords or opinion leader group. Let's take a look at how the system could be used to explore different aspects of the topic competition and the agenda setting process. In this figure, the orange line shows that the media contributes most to the competitiveness of welfare and society. The collocation of the blue and orange lines for politicians and media shows that they both influence the competitiveness of economy. The switching of orange lines among the layers shows that the topic focus of the media has changed from the issues of horse race and election to welfare and society. The user can also examine the pairwise competition among the topics with the radial view. With the word cloud, it's possible to investigate the reason for the increasing competitiveness of a topic. Comparing word clouds for tweets at different times, the user can see different reasons for the competitiveness of the topic. The sparklines can also be displayed, showing the saliency of the keywords over time. Here we illustrate some interesting findings from when we applied the system to visualize tweets related to the 2012 U.S. presidential election. The thick blue line shows that politicians drew public attention to the general election topic, especially from August 28th to September 4th. From the word cloud, we can see the keyword convention was the most salient. The spark line also shows that convention was the most salient at that time. It is therefore very likely to be the reason for the issue's competitiveness at that time. By taking a look at the tweets, we can surmise that the events related to this recruitment effect were the Democratic and Republican national conventions, both taking place during that time. The green line in this figure shows that during the time around October 2nd, the grassroots started to play a major role in recruiting public attention to the topic of general election. The word cloud indicates that this is likely related to the presidential debates. The orange line shows that the media exerted a long period of influence on the horse race topic. The layer representing the horse race topic expands in the week of July 3rd. This means that the media successfully drew public attention to the horse race topic. We can use word clouds to quickly inspect what the media was discussing during that period. The word clouds show that they were actually talking about two different things during the week. One topic was the polls, and the other was Bain Capital. To better understand what Bain Capital is about, we can examine the related tweets by selecting the starting date, the end date, and the topic. We also search for tweets including the keyword Bain. After reading a few tweets, we speculated that the discussion of Romney's scandal at Bain Capital was the cause of the recruitment effect. Around July 17th, we found that the layer representing the horse race topic shrunk, while the law, social, and relations issues became more prominent. We can also observe a transition of topical focus of the media group from various topics to the law, social, and relations topics. Word clouds help us quickly examine what the media was talking about during the time. The keyword gun became increasingly important. This was possibly caused by the Orlando gun shooting, which drew a lot of attention from the media to gun laws.